So these are the two keys that I received with my shiny new £390 Saab 9.3. As you can see, they are a bit tatty, and this one in particular, the unlock button doesn't work and the boot pop button doesn't work, and as you can see, the casing on here is completely worn away, and the button itself has been destroyed as well. This one actually does completely work. It just looks absolutely terrible. So I'm going to basically replace the case for this as well. What you need to buy to do this job: new key plastics, such as this one here. It's basically an empty key, but it looks much better as it's basically brand new. And these plastic cases normally come with these things, these buttons, and these buttons are what you need to repair the broken buttons on the or missing buttons on the actual key themselves. We're going to get the that we want to repair, and you're going to pull the key itself out of the key housing. Yeah, see, this is completely coming apart. There we go. Okay, so pull it apart into two parts. So remove the battery from the housing, because you're going to need that for the new one, and then remove the key components from the other side, and it should just literally lift out like that. So if you have a look at this one, you can see that it's got two buttons which are in fine condition. It's got a broken button here, and there is no buttons here. That one's completely gone. So what you'll need is a soldering iron, a pair of tweezers, and some solder. And what we're going to do to remove the that first broken one there is to one side. There we go. It's just sort of moved it out of the way, and the other half just snapped off. That's great. And then when you have the finished key, make sure you'll be able to push all the buttons. You grab your new casing and you put your buttons face down in the front of the casing, and you put your battery face down in the other one, and then you can just go ahead and clip them together. And then it will look like this. And then you need to put the key back in now. Half the key came off with this one, so I'm going to need to find a way to get this off first. There we go. and then the key just slides directly in there, and there you go. You've got a basically brand new looking Saab key, and you can hear that it's going to function as it should. And now I'm going to do the same with the old one, or the other one. Two pretty snazzy keys that are basically brand new.